So, you've got girls asking about your height, huh? Been there, done that. Tall guys just drop a number and daydream about girls falling head over heels for them. But it usually ends with a bit of regret. And for the not-so-tall guys, it's even worse. They quickly change the subject, showing their discomfort. So what's the solution? Don't sweat it. Today I'm gonna teach you a perfect comeback. Master this, and you'll be the moonlight in a girl's heart. Hit that like button, save this, and share it with your buddies who need it. Now, about this dude. He came to me and said he and this girl were introduced by friends. They've been chatting for about a month, and things are kind of flirty. But his biggest worry? His height. He's always felt insecure, like he's not good enough for her. He's scared of being disliked, of being rejected. He really likes this girl and wants a way to avoid rejection. After hearing his story, I could feel his desperation and helplessness. I comforted him, told him not to stress. First off, I'm sure this girl is into you. Otherwise, she wouldn't be spending so much time getting to know you. So don't lose your cool now. After all, a boyfriend who can get kids tickets can save a lot of dough. After cracking that joke, his mood noticeably improved. Next, I gave him some advice. Ask her about her blood pressure or blood sugar. It's a clever way to shift the topic away from height. Show off your sense of humor. Get her emotions going. When she's in a good mood, she'll start noticing your best qualities. When she asked about his height, he didn't dodge the question. Instead, he took the initiative, used a little trick to test her feelings. He said, I heard you only want to know someone when you like them. Are you interested in me already? He was worried he was being too forward, but I reassured him. You can't win love by running away. Only brave men who dare to take risks can spark romantic feelings. He hesitated for a few minutes, then finally hit send. The girl replied, I just asked casually. He responded, in the summer, I can shield you from the scorching sun. In the winter, I can block the cold wind for you. He showed his sincerity, painted a picture of him protecting her from all kinds of weather. She felt secure, and their chat instantly became more flirtatious. She replied, haha, get lost, who wants you to shield me? It seemed like she was rejecting him, but her tone was full of teasing. This just proved that she was definitely not indifferent. He seized the moment and asked, are you unhappy? Are you worried that I'm not tall enough? Or do you feel that I'm not sincere enough? She replied, huh? You're talking nonsense. I don't see how sincere you are. Since she brought up sincerity, he decided to give it a shot. It was his turn to go on the offensive. He said, the sincerity of two people is the last resort. If I'm the only one being sincere, it's like me fighting World War II with my bare hands. He hesitated again, but I told him, if you're confident, just send it. We want girls to know that we can be warriors who fight for love. But we absolutely won't be their enemies. And a man with his own principles and bottom lines can gain true, equal, and lasting love. This made the girl react like this. Haha. I didn't realize before that what you said was quite interesting. He was grinning from ear to ear. He let her calm down first. Girls just think you're interesting now. So he wanted to take her favor to the next level. He continued his pursuit. I've been treating you as my companion for several days. You just discovered how interesting I am today. Since her emotions were rising steadily, he decided to create an emotional gap. He said, why are you so angry? If I get angry, the consequences will be serious. Like jumping up and hitting you on the knee. A big stick and a date. He cracked another joke, which brought her emotions to a peak again. Sure enough, she was happy too. Haha. Look, I won't kick you away. The time was ripe. Now that the emotional foreshadowing was enough, it was time to attack. He said, so it's useless for you to just kick me away. I am the gray wolf. No matter how many times you kick me, I will still come back. I use a joke to lighten the mood. Let's talk about love later. Isn't it just two people tolerating each other's little tempers? No matter how many shortcomings there are, they are just stars in the sky. As long as you, the little moon, come out, who can still see the stars? So no matter how bad-tempered you are, in my eyes, I still think you are cute. He was smart. After all, he had quitting. Next time, he could just copy the homework. He used the topic to play, told the girl directly, even if you have many shortcomings, but in my eyes, you are still unique. And what happens when a girl feels this full sincerity? How can she not be moved? It took her more than 10 minutes to reply, "Who has a bad temper? I'm not making you angry. I believe I don't need to say anything. You can feel it." Girls are so arrogant in every word. Well, since the girl has taken the initiative to expose her flaws, how could he let go of such a good opportunity? So he replied, "Give me a chance to correct it, so as not to deduct all my points in your heart." When she asked what opportunity he wanted, he went on, "Like half an hour later, you pick a nice outfit. I choose a delicious restaurant. Let me calm you down in person." He launched a general attack, took advantage of the situation, and made an invitation. He created opportunities for ambiguous escalation. At this time, he was still a little worried. But I told him there was no time to hesitate. No girl will like an embroidered pillow that has no real appearance. She will only fall in love with confident and strong people. So even if your height is 1.7 meters, but as long as you have emotional intelligence, that is your most fatal charm. The girl replied immediately, "Haha, then you have to behave well. Here we are. Good time and place." So I gave him the details of how to dress and how to get along with her. I made a detailed guide. He was also very impressive. He followed my suggestion, gave the girl a perfect date. And what worries her most about her height? Girls didn't care either. He also told me that after sending the girl home, the girl said he did well today. He had a particularly reliable feeling. He got extra points. After solving his biggest problem, his relationship with the girl is also developing rapidly. Last month, he even sent me a special message. He smiled and told me that his proposal was successful. His friends were all envious. So guys, as long as you can learn to think correctly in chatting, just to enrich your inner self, you can still eat your own swan meat, even if you're not the best looking. If you're looking to master the art of attracting girls, want them to pursue you, or need advice on love and dating recovery, then stay tuned to my videos. Don't forget to like, share with your loved ones, and subscribe to the Dark Psychology World channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. If you're looking to master the art of attracting girls, want them to pursue you, or need advice on love and dating recovery, then stay tuned to my videos. Don't forget to like, share with your loved ones, and subscribe to the Dark Psychology World channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.